Big day today. Let's see how everything turned out. First thing that catches my eye, that banner. Looks like your booth already looks more premium than mine. Thanks. Let's take a quick break at that cafe over there, and I'll tell you where I got my booth from.
Even the cafe space feels branded. That emulated menu and pop-up display. The more I look at it, the more your booth stands out. Your tension media wall looks sleek, matte, and premium. The backdrop and table branding work perfectly together. And that hanging banner makes it visible from anywhere. Seriously, who did your display? Backdrop source.
And did you know? Even that fabric banner we saw at the entrance was from Backdrop Source.
Looks like I know where I'm getting my next setup.